In today's office environments, the quality of the air has a direct impact on employee comfort and productivity. The Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a state-of-the-art device designed to elevate the indoor air quality in office buildings, ensuring a healthier and more comfortable workspace. This smart monitor is armed with sophisticated sensors that vigilantly track pollutants, particulate matter, VOx, CO2 levels, and other elements that can influence the health and cognitive function of office workers. By continuously monitoring these factors, it helps create an atmosphere that is both safe and conducive to peak performance. One of the key features of the Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is its seamless integration with building management systems. This integration allows for real-time adjustments to the HVAC system based on the air quality data, enabling the monitor to maintain optimal indoor air conditions automatically. The Wi-Fi connectivity of the monitor provides easy access to real-time air quality information from anywhere within the building. Through a dedicated app, facility managers and employees can monitor air quality, receive alerts for any issues, and take immediate steps to improve the work environment, ensuring that the office space remains a haven for productivity and well-being. For office buildings committed to providing a superior work environment, the Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is an indispensable tool. It not only enhances comfort by ensuring excellent air quality, but also integrates effortlessly with building systems, making it a cornerstone for creating a healthier and more productive workspace. To discover how the Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor can enhance the air quality in your office building, please reach out to me through the email on my page. I will be delighted to provide additional information and will respond to your inquiry within 24 hours.